This smoky eye takes 2 eyeliners and 1 eyeshadow to complete. It takes a few minutes and it looks good on every eye color. Let's do it together. I'm going to start with a brown eyeliner. I actually love brown, but I don't wear it nearly enough. And I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eye, on the inner corner, and then I'm going to connect the two just in my crease. Taking the same liner, of course, I'm going to go under my eye. I think this eye is actually like a real definition of a smoky eye because it looks very smoldering. Looks like you took a little bit of coal and just smeared it under your lash line. But I love that, and it's very feminine still. It's not as grungy as I normally do it. Take your little blending brush and start to blend. I'm blending under my eye first because I want to make sure that that really does get blended out. And then going to the top. I left the center of my eye a bit bare, so it kind of creates a little bit of a halo effect. Just a clean, fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going up and towards the direction of my temple. Then I'm taking a little bit of a chocolate brown color. Any chocolate brown will do. I like this type of color just because it's dark enough to create a smoky look. It lays really well on the eye and it looks good on every eye color. Then you can go ahead and blend it out. Same color. Place a little bit on the bottom. Then take your black eyeliner and go ahead and tightline your top and bottom waterline. I take a little bit of matte black eyeshadow and I actually go underneath just to kind of keep that black eyeliner in place and just to make it a little bit more smoldering. And I really enjoy the black and the brown contrast. I think it's very pretty on a smoky eye. Blend it out, hopefully for the last time. Apply your mascara. And that's it. So easy, like literally so easy. And you still have a very wearable eye and it's still something that anybody can do. I hope you enjoyed this look. Thanks for watching.